Hello everyone, this is Kadmeet. The video title already tells you what I'll do with this BMW, right? It's made entirely out of modeling clay so I can easily squish it. And I was inspired by a video from Instagram. I was just scrolling through my feed and came across this video. She just breaks these colorful numbers, but someone had to make them first, right? And she just takes them and breaks them. What shocked me the most was the number of views, 13 million. So I thought, why not crush a car with my hands? Check out my channel for a full BMW review if you haven't seen it yet. Usually, after crash tests, there's at least something left of the car, but here I just have it with me, like some kind of bun. Well, are you ready? Then let's begin. Like and subscribe if you feel sorry for the BMW and want more videos like this. Also, don't forget to join the Vi contact group where I post photos of all my work. Thanks everyone for watching. Goodbye.